Hey people, so this is a video that I'm making at like 9 in the evening, and this is how I look like in terms of completely no makeup look. And I'll be retiring for the day soon. But the reason I'm making this video is because today it was so unique. Yeah, like every evening I step out for a short walk, and on my way back, like there are lots of trees that have been cut on the same lane where I stay, because now they are expanding and building yet another building, high rise building. So these trees that were cut, uh, I didn't even notice, I didn't even see. Like I was just walking, and apparently, like at some point, I just stopped because I was listening to music, so I was changing the bhajan that I was listening to. And apparently, where I stopped, just in front of me, there was a snake. And it was sandhya ka waqt, so basically I didn't see the snake. I would have walked on it and gone past, but then a vehicle behind me stopped, and a lady from across the road also stopped, and she told me, "Ma'am, there is a snake over there." It was such an experience. Yeah, so my god, so literally I just have to say that there is a god above. And I was listening to bhajans at that point, and he really saves us. So I felt I wanted to make a short video on this. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.